Hey, hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this LeetCode 139, which is the word break. It will be quick. So we have been given a string S and a dictionary of word in a word dictionary. We have to return true if the S can be segmented into the words from the dictionary. There is something to note that the same word from the dictionary may be reused multiple times in the segmentation. So for example, LeetCode dictionary word contains lead and code. So we have to return true because lead can be segmented into lead and code. And apple pen apple, so it can be segmented into apple from dictionary, yes, then pen from dictionary, yes, then again apple. Considering this note, same word can dictionary can be reused multiple times in the segmentation, so it will return true. All right, so cats and dog, well, dictionary contains cats, dog, sand, and cat. Now cat can be segmented, yes. Sand can be segmented, yes. OG, no. In second case, cats can be segmented, yes. After cats, and can be segmented, yes. OG again is left. So anyhow, as whatever way you try, you always see that you are left with some word which is not in a dictionary, then you have to return false. That is the case. Considering the situation, we have to solve this, and the solution here uses dynamic programming, and let's see how it goes. So basically, first we use hash set. So hash set is being defined with set of type string, and which contains set word, and here we define hash set, and this hash set basically contains all of this list of string inside it, so it removes duplicate considering the situation. And second thing will be I will have a boolean type dp array new boolean, which will be eventually the length of the string plus 1 to have one value which is used for calculation, which will be basically dp of 0 will be true. So basically all empty string will be resulted in a true condition, and we have to have a base case to evaluate for further, and that's why we are taking this dp of 0 as true. And now we will have to loop, and I equal to, will start with 1. We'll see how why the reason starts with 1, and it will be less than s dot length, and then I plus plus, and then for j, uh, and j is equal to, it starts with 0 and j is less than I, and then we have j plus plus. Alright, so we have j which is less than I, and I which starts from 1. And what's the logic behind this? The logic is this, that now if there is a condition and dp of j which is true, and the second case is this word set word, sorry, set word dot contains, let's misspell this, contains, anyways. So contains, and what else contains? S dot substring, sorry, j comma I. And if this set word, which is a collection of words in using set interface which do not contain duplicate words, it contains that substring from j to I, and j I keeps on going from 1 to s dot length plus 1 as we use substring. So it will be eventually s dot substring j comma I will be j to I minus 1. So it checks for dp of j which is true, and then for first case it checks this will evaluate to 0, which is L. Does L contains in this hash set? No, the first word is lead. So it will keep on iterating until it finds this both conditions to be true. So dp of j which is 0, it is true, and I is suppose 0 1 2 3 4, and then here it checks dp of z which is 0 true, and 4 minus 0 to 4 minus 1 which is 3. Is it in the set word? Yes. Then it will come eventually inside, and it will set dp of that I index to be true, and it will just break from the inner loop, and it will just try to uh, start from this next ith position, and it will continue to happen until we have found the last value dp of s dot length, and then we will return this. I do think it looks fine here, running the cases, submitting the code. All right, so the logic was simple. We tried using DP in order to store the true value at particular index. So I'm storing the true value at that particular index, and then from that index, now this I value will be used in J, and from there I will check that s dot substring from J to I minus 1 is it contains in the set. But if it's true, then the new ith value will be set to true, and it will continue to happen until the s dot length minus 1, the last index of the string, is reached and it is set to true. And if it is set to true, then that is the truth that is being returned. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next problem.